Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello guys, today we have revision for quiz 3. Let us start with the first question. Listen.
A swim team ordered 36 jackets that each cost the same amount. The total cost of the order was $1,116. Let C equal the cost of each jacket. How much did each jacket cost? Choose all of the division equations and multiplication equations that represent this problem.
So from here we have 36 jackets. We have the total cost 1116 and C represents the cost of each jacket. So we can write the equation 36C equals 1116. Here 36 is multiplied by C, so we can rewrite this equation as C, just C in the left hand side, equals 1116 divided by 36, or we can write it also as 36 equals 1116 divided by C. So if you notice here, we have C is right, we have D is right, and also E is right. Next question, number 2. Listen.
An equestrian club orders magazine subscriptions for new members. Last year they had 32 new members and spent $624 on subscriptions. Use the equation 624 divided by 32 is equal to M to find the cost of each subscription. Enter your answer in the box.
Here he gave me the equation, so I will just solve it. So now can we divide 624 divided by 32? We take long division before. Now we have two digits, so I will take two digits. 62 divided by 32. How many 32 are there in 62? Just one. 1 times 32 equals 32. When we subtract, it will be 30. Now bring down next digit, which is 4. 304 divided by 32, you will find it 9. 9 times 32 equals 288. When you subtract, the remainder will be 16. So we have a remainder here, so we have to put 0.0, and we said before that any whole number is a decimal number with decimal part equals 0. So we will put the decimal up and bring 0 down. Now it's 160 divided by 32 equals 5. 5 times 32 equals 160. When we subtract, it will be 0. So the answer will be 19.5. Let us move to next question.
A coffee shop spends $408 for an order of 17 cases of paper cups. If the coffee shop adds 5 more cases of paper cups to the order, how much will the total cost be?
Now we have to calculate the cost of one case of paper cups. One case of paper cups. So we will divide 408 by 17. By the same way, now 4 divided 17 equals 2. 2 times 17 equals 34. When we subtract, it will be 6. And now bring 8 down, so it will be 68 divided by 17 and equal 4. 4 times 17 equals 68. Subtract, it will be 0. So 24 is the cost of one case of paper cups. Now we have to calculate the cost of 5. So you will multiply 24 times 5, it will be 120. So now total cost, he wants here total cost, so we will add 408 plus 120, and total cost will be here 825. So the answer is C. Okay, next question.
Find the sum. Enter your answer in the box.
8.1 plus 2.53. Now here it's written in horizontal form. Let us write it in vertical form. I will begin with 8.1. We have to put the point exactly under the point. And now we have here in ones 2, and in tenths we have 5, in hundredths we have 3. If you want to add, put the point down. Okay, here empty place, fill it with 0, and now you can add easy. 0 plus 3 equals 3, 1 plus 6, 1 plus 5 equals 6, and 8 plus 2 equals 10. So the answer is 10.63. Now next question. Listen.
Tim has to type an 875-word report. If he types 35 words a minute, how long will it take him to type the report?
Okay, now I will divide 875 divided by 35. 87 divided by 35, you will find 2. 2 times 35 equals 70. Subtract, it will be 17. Now bring down next digit, which is 5. 175 divided by 35 equals 5. 5 times 35 equals exactly 175. So we finish the problem, and you will find the answer B. Next question. Listen.
Nicole ordered a volleyball for $9.75, a net for $29.99, and knee pads for $15. Nicole's mother said that she would pay for the order on her credit card if Nicole gave her the money. Nicole gave her mother $40. Her mother also applied the money that she owed Nicole for babysitting. Nicole's mother then gave her back $5.26. How much did Nicole's mother owe her for babysitting?
Here we have to calculate the total first, which is 9.75 plus 29.99 plus 15, and also plus the change they give back. So we can add 9.75, point exactly on the point, here 99, here 29, the point under here, it will be 0, 0, here will be 15. Let us try this first. It will be 14, 4 and cut up 1, now here 7, so it will be 10 plus 14 equals 24, 4 and cut up 2, so it will be 5, plus 54.74 plus 5.26, it will be 60. She paid how much? She paid just 40. So the difference now, 60 minus 40 equals 20. So the answer will be C. Let us see next question.
On a backpacking trip, Ephraim hiked 13 and 2/10 miles the first day and 16 and 7/10 miles the second day. Ephraim added these distances together, and he wants to know if his answer is reasonable. What distance should his answer be close to?
Okay, so now we will add 13.2 plus 16.7. Here, using rounding, you can make it 13 plus, here it will be what? Of course, it will be 17. Why? Because 7 here is a strong number, but here 2 is a weak number. So, the total will be 30 miles, which is D. Okay, let us see next one.
In an election, candidate A received 443 thousandths of the vote, while candidate B received 531 thousandths. How much greater was candidate B's part of the total vote?
How much greater? It means we will subtract. So you will subtract here 0.531 minus 0.443. Now, these as regular, the decimal point first. Here it will be 11 when we group this one into 2, and this would be 11 minus 3, it will be 8. And you have here 2, so I will make regrouping by taking 1 from 5 to be 10 here. It will be 12 minus 4 equals 8, and also here 4 minus 4 equals 0, and here 0. So you will find the answer and letter C. Let us move to next one.
Estimate each factor and the product. Enter your answers in the boxes.
Here, if you notice, 583 will be 600, and 4.13, here 1 is weak digit, so we will keep it 4 without adding 1. Now 600 times 4, put 2 zeros down, and 6 times 4 equals 24, so it will be 2400. Let us move to next question.
Tony used compatible numbers to estimate the product of 9 and 9/100ths times 45. He tried 2 different combinations of factors and got the same estimate both times. Choose the 2 sets of compatible numbers that he multiplied.
If you notice here, all of these may be right, no problem, because as we said in estimation, in compatible numbers, no rules, and in rounding, it's a rule, and we know it how. But here, the question about 2 sets of factors give me the same answer. If you notice, you will find here 8 times 50 equals what? Yes, equals 400. And here 10 times 40 equals 400. Here 9 times 40, it will be 360, and 9 times 50, it will be 450, and 10 times 50, it will be 500. So if you notice here, 400 and 400, so the answer will be A and B. Move to next one.
A pizza parlor sells medium-sized cheese pizzas for $9.80. What is the best estimate of the cost of 22 medium cheese pizzas?
Now the price of each one is $9.80. $9.80 multiplied by 22. Here by rounding we can make it 10. Here we can keep this 22, so it will be 220, the best estimation. So the answer is C. Next one.
An office supply company ordered 24 cartons of specialty paper. The regular price for a carton of specialty paper is $6.88. They received a discount of $1.75 off each carton. About how much money will the office supply company need to pay for the paper? Which of the expressions gives a reasonable estimate of the answer?
First, we have to calculate the cost, which is 6.88 minus 1.75. The point down, and here 8 minus 5 equals 3, 8 minus 7 equals 1, and 6 minus 1 equals 5. So 5.13 is the cost. Now, can we multiply 5.13 multiplied by how much? Multiplied by 24, because it's 24 cartons. So now, by estimation, we can make it 5, and here we can make it 25, so it will be A. Thanks for listening, guys. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.